Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about setting up follow up and reminder when sending email in Outlook. Flagged email messages help you better manage your email. A message flag for yourself with a reminder can help you track pending action item, keep an eye as to who has replied to the message, or to simply follow up for reply. Flag messages are automatically added in your Outlook to-do list. Flags, however, are subtle visual alerts, whereas a reminder pops up and demands attention. To add a follow-up and/or reminder when sending email, create a new email. On the upper right-hand side, select Follow Up, select when you want to follow up, or select Custom. Enable Flag for Me to flag message for yourself and set the start date and due date. Enable Reminder to remind yourself and then set the date and time of pop-up alert. Enable Flag for recipients to have message recipients receive a flag. Enable Reminder to have recipients receive a reminder alert and then set the date and time. Click OK. The flag text appears in the info bar. In your Outlook to-do list, the message is automatically added. When it is due, a reminder pops up. After you complete the task, open the message, go to Follow Up, and select Mark Complete. Outlook follow-up is your best friend ensuring timely response and enhanced productivity. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.